So in this Wise app tutorial video, I will be showing you how to add money by e-transfer here on Wise. So once the Wise app is opened up, go to the bottom left and select the home screen. Once you're on the home screen, under home it says send, add money, upload. Go ahead and select add money. Once you're on the add money page right here, you can then type in how much money you want to add to your account. So for example, if you wanted to add $25, I would then type in 25. And once that is done, after that, you can change the currency. So if you wanted to do this in another currency, you can select that there. But where it says paying with direct debit, you want to go ahead and change that. Pressing on change, select where it says Interac e-transfer. Go ahead and select that. So once that's done, it'll say paying with Interac e-transfer. It'll then show you how long it should arrive into your account, as well as the fees associated with it. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press continue, and then you can add money that way. So that is how to add money to your account by e-transfer here on the Wise app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.